Welcome back, guys, and in this video I am going to explain you how can we shift that percentage. Battery percentage is coming 44% now, you can see, to 100% within 1 second. Is it possible? This is the first question. Yes. Is it possible to just show this, change this 44 to 100? How? I will show it. How long it works, it has to be seen by you. So I am telling you the method by which we can change this 44 to 100% in a second. And believe me, guys, this is true. I will show you live. So not wasting much of your time, before proceeding the video further, I would like to request you, please subscribe this channel. So just go to the settings, and this is MI mobile, and in this mobile we have to go to developer option. This will come into the additional setting, developer option. If you do not know how the developer option will come, then you have to go to the software operation, and this maybe version you have to just press it by 7 times and then enter the pattern. And in Samsung mobile I have also explained in my earlier videos. So after activating this, just go to the additional setting, then go to the developer option, and then here you will see one demo mode. Now see, guys, it is 43 now. Just on it, turn on, see, it is 100% now. You can see it is 100% now. So this is the way by which you can show anybody that this you can charge your mobile without any external charger in less than 1 second, microseconds only, to any percentage to 100%. So this is all about today's tutorial. This is the go to the setting, go to the additional setting, go to the developer option, go to the demo mode and turn it on. As soon as this is all, if you turn it off, you will come back to the 43%. So this is all about today's tutorial. This I wanted to convey you in this tutorial, that it is possible to show anybody in demo mode to change your battery percentage from any value to 100%. Is it possible? It is possible, very much possible, and through this way. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel for such informations. Please press the bell icon. Thank you very much, guys.